morning. So I had planned lots of delicious meals for this weekend and I thought maybe I should do a video like what I eat in a weekend type of video because I really love this type of content. It just gives me so much inspiration. When I don't know what to eat or like when I want to try something new, I always watch these videos and they're just the best. And starting off with breakfast, I wanted to try for so long this like Turkish breakfast that I saw in lots of videos. And I have this one that looks absolutely delicious. So we're gonna try recreating this recipe right now. So for that I need eggs, Greek yogurt, and like garlic seasoning. I don't know if a lot of you guys know this, but I am French and I live in France, and here we don't usually eat savory breakfast. It's more sweet, like a croissant or pain au chocolat, tartine, like with butter or like jam, but not really savory. So it's not really my thing, even though I'm really trying to get into it because I am much more into savory foods than sweets. So let's start by putting some water to heat. Now we're going to prepare the Greek yogurt part with the seasoning. So for that, we're gonna need Greek yogurt. First, we're going to finely mince the garlic and mix it with the Greek yogurt. The amount really depends on your taste. Personally, I like to add just 1 clove. This garlicky yogurt sauce will create a beautiful creamy base for our poached egg. I also like to add a little bit of fresh parsley. For the poached egg, pour the whole egg into the boiling water and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. For the sauce, melt some butter in a pan, add a little more garlic and plenty of paprika. Then I toast my bread in the remaining paprika butter. And that's it, time to assemble. This recipe is super simple and makes the perfect breakfast, high in protein and very tasty. Okay, so this looks absolutely amazing. It's my first time trying it, so I have high hopes for this one. Let's see. The egg is perfect. There's so many different flavors. You should definitely try it. She's really happy because it's sunny outside for the first time in weeks. So now that I ate my breakfast, I'm gonna have my coffee. And since it's really sunny outside, I am craving some iced coffee. So I made myself one. It's so refreshing. Okay, So for today's lunch, I'm going to prepare some turkey skewers with pasta, and for the pasta I'm going to make a sauce with mustard, sour cream, parsley, garlic. I already did this once and I really liked it, so I really wanted to make it again. So I already put the water to boil and now I'm going to cook the turkey. Let's go. I bought these beautiful turkey skewers from the butcher. I simply cook them with salt and pepper. Now I'm going to prepare a garlic-based sauce by finely mincing some garlic and adding fresh parsley. Then I'll add some heavy cream and whole grain mustard. I mix everything together well. Once my skewers are cooked, I remove them from the heat and add my sauce directly into the same pan, scraping up all the flavorful bits from the turkey. Then I put the skewers back into the sauce and spoon it over them. I add my cooked pasta into the same sauce and mix everything together. And that's it, it's ready. She always wants to eat everything I eat. Oh, you're cute. And with that, I'm gonna add some hummus because I really like it and it reminds me of like a Greek plate. I really like this sauce. It really levels up the meal. And for dessert, I'm gonna have a pear. This one's very juicy. So for my snacks, it really depends on each day. I'm like never eating the same thing twice. I just bought this strawberry skier that is really good. So I'm gonna have some. And with that, I'm going to drink a Chinese tea made with rose and yuzu. So for tonight's dinner, I'm gonna make some japchae, which is a Korean meal made with sweet potato noodles. And I've tried it at a Korean restaurant in Paris and I really loved it. And I already made it once and it was delicious, so I am making it again. Let's prepare a japchae inspired recipe. I have a mix of Asian veggies in the freezer. It's super convenient because everything is already chopped. I thinly slice some green onions and set them aside for later. I do the same with the red chili. I remove all the seeds and cut it into small pieces. I finally chop a white onion. For the sauce, I mix minced garlic with soy sauce, fish sauce, lemon juice, and sesame seeds. I also add a tablespoon of sugar. I cook my sweet potato noodles, then I stir fry all the veggies in a wok and cook some eggs. I add the sauce and mix everything together. For the finishing touch, I top it with the green onions and some crispy fried onions.